city lights are shining through the rain tonight. Reflections dancing softly in your eyes. Every little moment feels like something new, like a summer breeze beneath the painted sky. I never thought a simple touch could change my world, but somehow everything feels right with you. Right here beside you, I can feel the world slow down. Every beat between us lifts me off the ground. Wherever life may lead us, I know what is true. My heart keeps coming back, right here beside you. We drive beneath the midnight stars along the coast, windows open wide to let the memories in. Your laughter fills the silence like a favorite song, and I don't want this feeling ever to end. The future may be waiting just beyond the dawn, but tonight is all I need to hold on to. Right here beside you, every shadow fades away. You turn the darkest evening into brightest day. No matter where tomorrow finds me passing through, my heart keeps coming back, right here beside you. There will be days when storms are blowing through our lives, and roads may lead us far from where we stand. But love is more than distance, more than passing time. It's knowing you'll be there to take my hand. So when the morning rises and a new day starts, I'll still be reaching out for you. Right here beside you, dreams are closer than before. Every step together makes me want you more.